Hello guys, welcome to this lecture. So in this lecture, we're going to see how to use modules in Python. So what do you mean by modules? So modules are Python files with a .py extension. So in this, the file name I've given is module.py. So this becomes a module if I save it and if I import it in another Python file. So the name that I've given over here will be equal to the name of the module. So the modules contains classes, variables, functions. So these might be implemented in a Python file. So now there are several ways of importing a module in Python. So let's check on those. So the first way is you can import a module like this, which is give the word import, and now type in the module name, which is I'm going to type it as math. So there's a built-in module named math in Python, and press enter, and now I'm going to print in math.py, and if you just check the output, it returns 3.14, which is the value of pi. So this is how you import a module. So there's another way of importing it. So before that, let me just comment them so that they won't interfere my next part, which is the next method is from math import pi, and if you just press enter and type in print pi and check it, so you'll get the same answer. So this is the second method of importing a module. So you can even use this method. Now moving on to the third one, which is from math import all. So the asterisk symbol over here denotes all. That means whatever functions are present or classes are present, I'm going to import everything, but I don't want everything. I want only the pi. So let's check it. So it returns the same answer. So the major difference between this import and this import pi is, so in this part it imports only the pi function or a pi class, so whatever is defined inside that. So what this means is it returns all, and I have to specify what should I get as the answer. So in this I want only pi from the math module. So this is how you import modules in Python. So that's it for this lecture. Thank you.